Imagine this. You sit down to play your favorite PS5 game, you turn on your console, and suddenly your whole screen turns green. No menu, no game, nothing. Just a scary green screen. Don't worry. In today's video, I'll show you simple and safe steps to fix the green screen problem on your PS5. If you find this helpful, don't forget to subscribe to Tech Vibes and like the video. Step 1. Quick and basic fixes. First, we start with the easiest things. 1. Turn off your PS5 and unplug the power cable for 60 seconds. This simple power cycle can fix many display problems. 2. Make sure your TV or monitor is set to the correct input source. Sometimes the display is simply on the wrong HDMI channel. 3. Check your HDMI cable. Make sure it is tightly connected. Try another HDMI cable or another HDMI port. These small steps fix the green screen for many people. Step 2. Display check. Maybe the PS5 is fine. Sometimes the problem is not the PS5. The issue may come from the display. Try connecting your PS5 to a different TV or monitor. If the green screen disappears, then the problem is your original display. Next, turn off HDR on your TV. Some users said turning off HDR fixed their green screen instantly. And remember what Sony recommends. If possible, use HDMI 2.1, or if your TV does not support it, use HDMI 1.4. If this video is helping you, make sure to subscribe to Tech Vibes, like, and share. And if you have any questions, just comment below. I will reply. Step 3. Software problems. Rest mode issue. The PS5 rest mode is known for causing display glitches. To turn it off, go to Settings, then System, then Power Saving. Now open Set Time until PS5 enters rest mode and choose Don't Put in rest mode. Next, update your PS5 system software. If you can reach the PS5 menu, update from there. But if your screen is still green and you cannot reach the main menu, then you need to update your PS5 from safe mode using a USB drive. Step 4. Major software problem. Reinstall system software. This is the final software step and it erases everything on the console. So make sure to back up your data first. Only do this if nothing else worked. Step 5. Hardware damage, HDMI port or motherboard. If none of the steps fix your PS5, the problem may be hardware related. Check your HDMI port for bent pins, broken parts, or dirt. Also look at the motherboard for cracks or burn marks. If there is damage, you may need micro soldering or a motherboard replacement. And that's how you easily fix the green screen on your PS5. If the video helped, please subscribe to Tech Vibes, like, and share the video. If you have any problem, comment below. I always reply. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.